I'm going to make a volcano that erupts. The materials I'm using are a cup, some paper or newspaper, hot water, baking soda, vinegar and food color. Now I've got the cup attached to the base. I also put some silver foil on the brown paper to make it better. So now I've got all the ingredients ready. First I'm going to put some baking soda in the cup. Now I'm going to add the water, the hot water. Okay, now I've added the hot water. I'm going to add a little food color. Now I'm going to add some vinegar. It erupted. I'm going to do it again.